Children, today I will teach you the procedure of fixture in a league or round robin tournament. In last video you have seen I had discussed there are three methods to draw league or round robin tournament. Again, first of all, I will discuss one time more what is league or round robin tournament. What is league or round robin tournament? League or round robin tournament is a type of tournament where all the participating teams play with every other participating teams once if it is single league tournament. In double league tournament, each team plays with every other participating teams twice. Okay? So I am going to start the second method to draw the fixture. What is the second method? Last day I had discussed, that day I had taught you the types of methods to draw the fixture. There are three methods to draw the league or round robin fixture. First fixture known by staircase, second cyclic method, and last one is tabular method. Last day I had also discussed tabular method is not in your syllabus, so I will not teach you. So I am going to start the cyclic method. Please listen carefully. In cyclic method, if the number of teams is in even number, okay, even number, team number 1, please remember it, team number 1 is fixed on the top of the right hand side. Top of the right hand side, and then other team move in ascending order. Other teams move in ascending order consecutively downward. And then moves upward on the left side. Please pay attention. Team number 1 is fixed. when if the number of participating teams is in even number. On the top of the right hand side and then other teams, means 50% teams you will write down of the right hand side and 50 teams in the left side in ascending order. Okay, if the participating teams, if participating teams are in odd number, what is, if the participating teams are entries are in odd number, the by is fixed on the top of right hand side, fixed on the top of the right hand side. The rest of procedure, remains the same. Remains the same. What you have seen here, when participating teams in the even order, the first teams you will fix at the right hand side at the top. When the participating teams are in odd number, you will give the by in each round and fix it should be fixed same like even number at the top of the right hand side. Please note one important point. Note all the participating teams are rotated. Teams are rotated in the clockwise direction. In the clockwise direction, except fixed team and the by will not rotate. They are fixed. I am continued repeating here. Team number 1 in the even number, by in the odd number will not change the place, but the other teams will rotate according to your clock directions. You will not get any changes in the number of the matches. What is the formula? What is the formula for the total number of the matches? Total number of matches in league out tournament. total number of matches in league or tournament, n into n minus 1 upon 2 when you will draw the fixture through any methods, staircase, cyclic or tabular in a single league. This formula you will use in single league and double league. What is the formula for the double league? N into n minus 1. For double league, n into n minus 1. Okay. Again, please note, it is very important point. Point A. If the number of participating team, please listen carefully and do practice on the paper. If the number of participating team is in even number, participating team is in even number, total number of round is equal to n minus 1. What is n? Number of entries. Point B. If the number of participating team is in odd number, total number of round is equal to n. What is n? Number of entries, means number of round is equal in odd number of the participants or entries. Okay, in the number of entries are even number, one subtract from the entries, means one less in entries, the round. Example, total number of teams, you have wrote in the A, even number, so I will draw the first fixture of even number team. Example, we will take the 6. Okay, total number of the matches is equal to n into n minus 1 upon 2. What is n? 6. Again 6 into 6 minus 1 upon 2. When it will be calculated, you will get here 15 means when you will draw the fixture, total number of the matches will held 15. Total number of the round you have rotated in last page. When participants are even number of round is equal to n minus 1. N minus 1. How many teams are participating here? 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Means you will draw the how many rounds. Total rounds should not be less than 5 and your matches should not be less or more than 15. Both are fixed. Your round is fixed here and matches are also fixed here. So I am going to draw the fixture of the 6 teams. Write the name of the 6 teams. Name of teams. Children. Please always try to write the alphabet or numbers. Both are correct. You can write also the country's name, state names, district names, or your favorite team's name. So we will write the team's name. You will give the more time. So I am writing here in all 6 teams alphabet. Team A, Team B, Team C, Team D, Team E, Team F. Okay. What is fixed in the when entries are the even number? So first I am going to draw the fixture of the first round. So you will write here round 1. Okay, and in the round 1 your first team should be fixed. What is your first team? Team A. So write the team A name and you will put it in a circle. Circle is very important. Remaining teams you will write downward. Second team, only 50% team should be in the right side, 50% team should be in the left side. So second team is B. Then you will be write team C, then team D, team E, then last team is F. I have discussed today all teams will rotate in clockwise. This is the fix. Here A team is fixed. Remaining teams will rotate in the clockwise. This is the first round fixture completed. These arrows are very important. On the same page I am going to draw the round 2. Second round, team A will not change the place. In all round, team A will not change the place. remaining teams will rotate. Means B, C, D, E and F team will rotate according to clock. Means at the place of the B, F team will come and be downward of the F. So B. Then you will not change the order. Order is same. C, D and E. This arrow indicating the direction of the clock. I have not discussed here which team will play to the which teams. In the first round I will discuss. A means team F is getting the A team will play to the F team. B to C, C to D. A team will play to the F team, B team will play to the E team, C will play to the D team. Or you can tell F will play to the A, E to B or D to C. In the second round also, A will play to E, F will play to D and B will play to C. Round third. Which team is fixed? Team A. And remaining teams will rotate according to clockwise. So you will write here down A, E. Then which team will come? Then F, then B, C, D. You will be draw here arrow. Your third round has completed here. Here D is playing with A, C is playing with E and B is playing with F. I will draw here the round fourth. A is fixed. Then which team will come at the place of E? D team. Other team will rotate. Means then E, then F, then B, then C. Again you will be draw here the arrow. I have left here to discuss in each round how many matches will held. Example of the fourth round, C to A, B to D, F to E. Means each round total number of the matches equal to 3. So you will not write here. Okay, you will not write here 3, but for your knowledge, it is very important to know. Okay, I am going to draw the picture of the next team. Okay, round 5th. Round 5th. Again you will be write here A, then A you will make it in circle. Then which team will come down to the A, C, D, then E, then F, then B. Your fixture have completed here. For the single league, when you will be organize the double league, on the same pattern all teams will play the matches. So you will be get the number of the matches doubled. Okay, any doubt? Okay, example 2. In the first example you have seen the total number of the teams were in even order. So I am going to draw the odd number participants. So total number of the teams, you can take any odd number. So I will take here the 7 number. You can take the 5, 7, 9. Okay, you will be follow the all instructions and all steps also as a rule. Okay, total number of the matches. Total number of the matches, n into n minus 1/2 in single league, n into n minus 1/2. Total number of the matches will held is equal to 21. Total number of the round n. Okay, round is equal to n. N means number of the entries, means your round is equal than your entries, means you will organize the only 7 round. In the last picture, what have you seen? The number of the round is equal to n minus 1. So I am going to draw here the round first match. Round first. Here you will give the bye. Where you will be write the bye? Always you will write the bye in the right hand side at the top, and it should be also in the circle. Then you will write the name of the other teams. Sorry, I have left to write the name of the teams. So first we will write the team names. team is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Round first. You will be give by in the odd number of the entries. Odd number of the entries. Then you will rotate the, you will write the all teams downward from right hand side to left hand side. First team is A, then second team, third team, then fourth team, fifth team, sixth teams, A, B, C, D, E, F and G team. Also you will be draw here arrow. In the first round, how many matches will held? 3. Here F will play to A, E will play to B and D will play to C, and G team is getting here by, and you will be rotate according to clock. In second round, round 2. Again, in the second round, we will write the by according to your rule, right hand side at the top. At the top. Then we will write the teams according to rotation of the clock. So which team will come at the place of A? Team G. Remaining team will not change the place, only rotate one step. So we will write the A, B, C, D, E and F. In the second round, team F is getting here by. Remaining teams will play the matches. Okay. Round third. Round third. Any doubt in the round first and second? Round third. Again, first of all we will write the first by. Then we will team names. And all teams will rotate according to clock one step. So which team will come at the place of G, F, then G, then A, then B, C, D, E. How many teams I have wrote here? 7 teams. Here E team is getting the bye. Which team is getting the bye? E. Remaining teams will play the matches. D versus F, C versus G, V versus A, and we will draw here the arrow. Any doubts? In the third round also you will get the how many matches? 3 matches. Next round, round 4. Again we will write here the bye. I have left here bye in the circle. Always bye and first team should be in the circle. Okay, bye and first team should be in circle. Then remaining teams will rotate according to clock. So which team will come at the place of F? Which team will come at the place of F? E. And then we will write the name G. Sorry. E will come at the place of F. Then we will write the name of F, then G, then A, then B, then C, then D. Here, which team is getting the bye? D is getting the bye. Remaining teams will play the matches. C versus E, V versus F, and A versus G, or you can tell E versus C, or F versus B, or G versus A. Okay, round 4th has completed. How many matches will held in the 4th round? 3 matches. Each round only 3 matches will held. So I am going to draw the next round match. Round 5. First of all, we will write the bye, and it should be in circle. Then which team will play the match and which team will get the bye? Guess it. You will be rotate one. Please rotate the 4th round matches. In the 4th round, D team has got the bye. When will be rotated? C team will come at the place of D. Okay? C team will come at the place of D, and D will come at the place of E. Then E, then F, then G, then remaining A and B. Here you will be draw the arrow indicating the rotation of clock. Again you have got here the 3 matches. C is getting here bye. B will play match to D, A to E, and G to F. Okay, any doubt? So next round, round 6. Again you will write the bye first, and you will put it in a circle. then remaining team you will rotate. Which team will come at the place of C and D? When it will be rotated, C will come at the place of D and B will come at the place of C. Remaining team will rotate. After C, D, then E, then F, then G, then A. Draw here arrow. Okay, means which team is getting the Y here? B team. A will play match to C, G will play to match to D, and F will play match to E. How many rounds have completed? 6 rounds. And each round, how many matches? How many matches? 3. Means when you will be calculate here, how many matches have finished? 6 multiply 3 is equal to 18. So I am going to draw the last round match. Round 7. Round 7. First of all, we will write the first by according to rule, and remaining teams we will rotate. So B will come at the place of C, then C, D, E, F, G and A. Draw a arrow for the rotation, indicating rotation of the clock. In the last round, which team is getting here by? Team A. G is play with match to B, F versus C and E versus D. How many matches will held in the last round? 3. Means total matches you will be calculated. You are also the judge, so you calculate the matches. Total number of the round is equal to 7, and each round total matches 3. Means total matches is equal to total match is equal to 7 multi total match is equal to 7 multiply 3 is equal to 21. Total number of matches will held 21. So I am going to the last page where you had started to draw the first round match and calculation. Total number of the teams is equal to 7. Total number of the matches is equal to 21. Number of the round is equal to 7. So one time we will count here. Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4, round 5th and round 6th, round 7. Total round 7. And each round match is equal to 3. total match is equal to 7 multiply 3 is equal to 21, means your fixture is correct. Okay, that's all. Thank you.